Let me ask you something. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and thought, wow, I look full of life today? If it's been a while, don't worry. Today, I'm sharing 5 amazing haircuts that can make you look up to 10 years younger. No surgery, no needles, and no pretending to be someone you're not. Growing older is a gift. But let's be honest. What happens to our hair as we age doesn't always feel like one. Thinning, dryness, or losing shape can make it seem like we have fewer options. But here's the truth. The right haircut doesn't just frame your face. It reshapes how the world sees you. In this video, we'll look at 5 timeless hairstyles that lift your features, soften fine lines, highlight your natural beauty, and match your lifestyle, personality, and hair texture. These aren't passing trends. They're elegant, powerful styles that help you feel refreshed and confident. Whether you've had the same haircut for years or you're just thinking about a small update, this is your chance to try something new with intention. Our hair tells a story. Every silver strand, every change in texture, every new phase. After 60, you may notice your hair acting differently, feeling drier, flatter, or just not as lively. Maybe your old style doesn't feel right anymore, or maybe you've been avoiding the mirror. Not because you're unhappy, but because you're unsure how to update your look without losing yourself. You're not alone, and there's good news. These changes don't need to be hidden. They can be embraced. Studies show that hair plays a big role in how we appear to others, not just our age, but our energy and health too. People often link full, well-groomed hair with vitality and confidence, no matter the color. So, no, this isn't about looking 30 again. It's about stepping into this phase of life with style, grace, and self-assurance. And a great haircut is one of the most powerful ways to do that. Let's start with one of the most flattering styles for women over 60, the soft layered bob. This isn't your typical bob. It's gentler, softer, and designed to bring life and bounce back into aging hair, with very little styling needed. Picture this: a chin length or slightly longer, bob with soft layers that frame your face and taper lightly toward your neck. The ends aren't blunt. They're feathered to add movement and lightness. The layers create natural volume and shape, especially where your hair needs it most. Why it works so well? The layers add fullness, which is helpful for thinning hair. It softens deeper smile lines. It draws light to your eyes, like a natural facelift. It looks amazing on both natural gray and colored hair. The cut reflects light beautifully, making gray look radiant. Best of all, it works for nearly every face shape. Round face? Ask for longer front layers to elongate. Heart or oval face? A chin-length version highlights your cheekbones. Square face? Add extra layers around the jawline for softness. Styling is simple. Blow dry with a round brush for volume, or let it air dry with a smoothing serum. You can flip the ends out for bounce or curl them under for a sleeker feel. Even fine hair can look fuller with this cut. It creates the illusion of thickness. Many women say that just changing to this haircut makes them feel more polished, youthful, and confident without trying too hard. It's stylish, but never stiff. Soft, but never outdated. Think of icons like Joyce, elegant, timeless, and completely themselves. Ready for a bolder change? Try the modern Pixie cut. This isn't just a haircut. It's a statement. A symbol of confidence, freedom, and elegance. The modern Pixie is cropped short at the back and sides, with slightly longer, textured layers on top. It's not the stiff Pixie of the past. It's soft, wispy, and full of movement. Think side-swept bangs, feathered edges, and a flattering shape that draws attention to your eyes, cheekbones, and smile. Many women fear that short hair will age them, but the right Pixie cut does the opposite. It lifts your face, adds volume at the crown, creates structure for fine or thinning hair, works beautifully on oval and heart-shaped faces. It's especially great if you have a petite frame or naturally fine/wavy hair. The built-in texture adds character and charm. And the best part? It's low maintenance but high impact. Whether you want something gentle or daring, your haircut should match your mindset and energy. Let's keep going, because the next 3 cuts are just as transformational. One of the best things about the modern Pixie cut is how effortlessly stylish it is. Just a small amount of mousse or texture paste is all you need to add lift and definition. Want a sleeker look? Apply a bit of smoothing balm and comb your hair forward or to the side. Feeling playful? Ruffle it with your fingers and let it go a little wild. That's the beauty of this cut. It gives you freedom and flexibility. Many women who choose the Pixie say the same thing. I feel lighter, freer, and more like myself. This haircut removes the unnecessary and highlights what truly matters. Your features, your expression, your presence. It's bold without being harsh, youthful without feeling childish. Style icons like Judi Dench, Jamie Lee Curtis, and Kris Jenner have all embraced versions of the Pixie. But it's not just for celebrities. Women in their 60s, 70s, even 80s around the world are choosing this cut because it reflects their inner strength, spirit, and confidence. A good stylist can tailor the Pixie to fit your face shape and comfort level. Want to keep a soft fringe? Try side swept bangs. Prefer a little more volume? Ask for layers on top. Want to enhance the shape? Add subtle highlights or lowlights to make the texture pop. And if you're nervous about going short, remember this. Hair grows back. But the confidence you'll gain from stepping into a fresh, fearless look, that's priceless. Now, if you like to keep some length but still want that fresh, youthful feel, the shoulder-length cut with long layers might be just right for you. It's elegant, feminine, and incredibly versatile, without ever feeling heavy or outdated. This style usually sits just above or below the shoulders, with soft layers starting near the cheekbones or collarbone. These layers add movement and lightness, so your hair doesn't just hang, it flows. As we get older, our hair naturally loses density and elasticity. Keeping it too long can weigh it down and make the face look tired. But cutting it all off isn't always a solution. This shoulder-length cut gives you the best of both worlds. Soft length with flattering shape, bounce, and a light frame around the face. It can elongate your neck, soften your jawline, refresh your overall look without trying to look younger, and it works for every hair type. Straight hair? Layers add movement and stop it from looking flat. Wavy hair? They bring out your natural texture. Fine hair? Proper layering adds volume and depth. It's also easy to maintain, just a trim every 8 to 10 weeks. For a casual, everyday look, let air dry with a little mousse and style with your fingers. For something more polished, blow dry with a round brush to turn the ends under. Want soft waves? Use a wide barrel curling iron on the mid-lengths for extra romance and dimension. This style gives you freedom. Tuck it behind the ears, wear it down, or sweep it into a low ponytail. Many women say it makes them feel lighter both physically and emotionally. It brings ease and movement back into your daily routine. No more heavy, lifeless hair. It's feminine yet simple, modern yet age-appropriate. Think of women like Andie MacDowell or Jane Seymour, who wear this style to enhance their elegance, not hide their age. You don't have to sacrifice length to feel refreshed. You just need the right shape. If you're looking for a style that's full of personality but still looks polished, the elegant Shag might be your next favorite. It's a modern twist on a retro classic, and it's made a big comeback, especially for women over 60 who want style, volume, and attitude. This cut features choppy, textured layers around the crown and sides, feathered ends, and often a soft, wispy fringe. It has volume at the top, a soft taper near the neck, and layers that move beautifully. Whether your hair is straight, wavy, or curly, it's playful but not messy, edgy but still graceful. Here's why it works so well. The layers build natural volume, great for fine or thinning hair. It lifts the crown and lengthens the neck for a more youthful look. The face framing pieces soften lines and highlight your cheekbones and eyes. And the best part? It's super versatile. Let air dry for a soft, boho vibe. Style with a round brush and a light serum for a sleeker, refined look. It suits almost all face shapes and hair textures. Want a more elegant version? Choose longer layers with curtain bangs. Prefer something livelier? Ask for shorter layers around the crown for more lift and bounce. And don't shy away from showing off your natural silver. The textured layers can make gray hair look multi-toned and vibrant, not flat. Many women say the elegant Shag brings them a sense of freedom, like they reclaim their style, their spirit, and that inner spark. It's a haircut that proudly says, I've lived, I've grown, and I'm still fabulous. If you're looking for something stylish, low maintenance, and full of personality, the elegant shag could be your new signature look. Now, if you want a haircut that instantly sharpens your features, defines your face, and add an effortless elegance to your overall look, the chin-length blunt cut might be the most powerful style move you ever make. As the name suggests, this cut is one clean length, trimmed evenly at or just below the chin. No layers, no extra fuss. Just a bold, sleek frame that draws attention to your face in the most flattering way. This style is modern, minimalist, and incredibly striking. Here's why it works so well. As we age, the contours of our face naturally soften. The structure of a blunt cut helps bring that definition back. It highlights the jawline, lifts the neck, and draws the eyes upward, giving a naturally youthful effect. And for thinning or fine hair, this cut creates the illusion of fuller, thicker strands almost instantly. The chin-length blunt cut works especially well for oval, heart, and square face shapes, and for those with straight to slightly wavy hair. It's ideal for women who love a clean, polished look without spending hours on styling. To style it, keep it sleek and smooth with a quick blow-dry or a few swipes of a flat iron. Add a side part or tuck one side behind the ear for a softer, more relaxed look, or go bold with the center part, and let the strong lines speak for themselves. This cut makes a clear statement. I know who I am. It's sharp, modern, and always in style. Think of Anna Wintour's iconic bob, a cut that commands attention and never fades with trends. Or the softer, updated versions worn by inspiring women like Michelle Obama and Viola Davis. Elegant, simple, and powerful. So, if you're ready for a haircut that brings clarity, strength, and a boost of confidence, the chin-length blunt cut might be just the transformation you've been waiting for. Now that we've explored 5 powerful, age-defying haircuts, here's the most important step: choosing the one that's right for you. Because you are unique, and your haircut should celebrate your personality, lifestyle, and natural beauty. Start by thinking about your face shape. Oval faces are the most versatile. They can wear nearly any style effortlessly. Round faces look great with cuts that add angles or length, like the soft layered bob or a chin-length blunt cut. Square faces benefit from styles that soften the jawline, like the elegant shag or layered bob. Heart-shaped faces glow with side-swept bangs and layers that frame the forehead and cheekbones. Your hair texture also plays a big role in what works best. Fine hair often looks fuller with layered cuts like the Pixie or the Shag. Wavy or curly hair shines with shoulder-length cuts that enhance natural texture. Straight hair looks stunning in clean, structured styles like the blunt cut. Ask yourself how much daily styling you're willing to do. Prefer something fuss-free? Go for low-maintenance styles like the Pixie or blunt bob. Love variety and occasional waves or curls. Shoulder-length layers offer endless styling options. And don't forget how often you want to visit your stylist. Some cuts need regular trims to stay sharp. Also, consider color. Whether you're embracing your natural gray, adding soft highlights, or refreshing your current tone, your haircut and color should work together to enhance your glow and express who you are. Finally, here's the best advice. Bring your ideas to a stylist you trust, someone who understands your hair, your features, and your goals. A great stylist will personalize the cut so it fits you perfectly, making sure you leave the salon feeling radiant and confident. Remember, the right haircut isn't just about changing how you look. It's about celebrating who you are at this beautiful stage of your life. Choose the look that makes you feel like the best version of yourself. And just watch how it transforms not only your reflection, but your entire outlook. You deserve that. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on looking and feeling your best at every age. And stay tuned. Our next video is all about fashion tips for vibrant, mature women. See you soon.